Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you my 110 motorcycle. I've been wanting to show you this video for a while. So here's my 110 motorcycle. Where is it? Oh, there it is. It has a total of 3 gears. It is fun as heck. There's the 110 symbol. Sorry if this video is bad. Alright, so that's my 110 motorcycle. I ride it a lot. So, I might not kickstart it in this video. Actually, sure I will. I don't know if my camera's gonna die. If it does, oh, still up. Load this. Oh my gosh. Come on. Oh, yes. That's why. Oh my gosh. What the heck. Okay. I'll try and kickstart it. Oh, I hope this doesn't hurt my foot. Dang it. Alright, listen. Can I push it for? Okay, it's not in a gear. Come on. It's almost there. Okay. Crap. Alright. Alright. This is gonna be one. Gosh, it is not liking me today. And the choke won't come out. Okay, come on. Okay, it is not wanting to start at all. Okay, guys, I give up. Doesn't want to start today. Alright. Well, it didn't want to start today. Okay, there's the sun glare. Well, you guys subscribe if you haven't. I'll kickstart it for you another day. And let me try one more time. Oh, the run wasn't on. I think I got it. Yeah, still nothing. Whew. Maybe it'll come out now. I'll try 4 more times. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, it won't start. I'll start it again for you some other time. Well, thank you for at least turning... Son. Alright, thank you for at least turning in. Subscribe if you haven't to me I'm gonna probably be uploading another one tomorrow, so stay tuned. Remember, want drone video? Give a thumbs up on this video if you do. See you all in the next one. See ya.